We're doing a quick one here. So today is my presentation day. I am documenting this so that after the presentation, then I document again. Then eventually, I will start the reno process going. So this is a good time to do this and make it my opening act. So this house that I'm going to present to client, right, in terms of proposal, is interesting because the brief is normal, it's typical, it's Scandi, maybe a bit Japanese, but I think it's more Scandi lah. But I felt my client is fun enough to take on another facet of this whole thing and not be the typical cozy Scandi which the whole world is doing lah. You know, I see so many on YouTube like, ayo, just buy a few Taobao things and then say cozy already. Okay, never mind. I mean, it's true that you can be cozy, but there is more, everybody has more character than just a cozy Scandi home. Maybe you're not looking for that character lah. I mean, I respect that, but for this client in particular, she is fun and very witty and thinks fast. Also has a unique perspective. So I think I want to celebrate that lah. Hence, whatever I've proposed, right, is on the a little bit more on the fun side, casual side, light-hearted one, not the very, very serious, typical Scandi kind of look. So I hope she will buy the idea because I really like it. I will think it's not very typical way of doing lah in Singapore, but then again, it's a matter of concept. So I hope to give you good news after my meeting. Okay, bye. So, I finished my presentation. Guess what's the outcome? My clients like it, like my proposal. So, we will be likely going ahead with the whole proposal, but not before getting cost indication from my contractor in terms of how much lah, you know, the whole reno. Then we adjust from there. If it's over by quite a bit, if it's not over by quite a bit, which I don't think so lah, then can still champion here and there. But 重点 is, I'm so happy that the proposal is accepted. You know, like those mothers when they bring their babies out, and then people say, hey, your baby so cute, so cute. Then the mothers all very happy, right? So I guess this is how it feels to have clients like my proposal. Is the closest I can come to motherhood and experiencing people telling me, hey, your baby is so cute. Because this is how I feel now lah, you know, very a proud mother. So I guess the next step will be, after costing, will be the proper reno and also all the technical drawings that we need to do for the carpentry, plus material selection like for example tiles and laminate, etc., which I will propose to clients. Then of course when the reno is underway, I will need to do styling part, which means I will need to source for the necessary furniture and accessories to go with the whole look, and then so everything will go concurrently. So I is happy. So but I think that's all for today lah. You know, today is Sunday. technically nobody works on Sunday. I mean, like normal human beings, they don't work on Sundays. I'm a non-normal human being, so I have to work on Sundays. So I think now that I know that my clients like the design, then I can 松一口气 already, and I can chill and relax for the second half of the day. But of course I will still do some sourcing here and there for my other projects lah, but then I will take it easy. This much I owe to myself. I'll take it easy for the rest of today. It sounds very generous, but 其实 nobody's supposed to work on Sunday one. But okay lah. I mean, if it's working towards the greater good, as in to nicer looking projects, homes, then I come one as, you know. It's only when it's overwhelming then a bit imbalance, like mentality wise. So today taking things easy from now on, and tomorrow also taking things easy, although I still have to go site. But 重点 is I am so happy that it got through. Yeah, can't wait to show you the rest. I hope to show you more next week for this project. See ya. Update again.